Hey, what's going on, guys? Crazy Pizza Man 21, 26% battery left on my computer, and it's not plugged in. Alright, so anyway, this is the train bomb survival I was talking about. This is the double decker one. I found it. So, yay! I'll be black. Yeah. Hearted by 3,000 people. Played. I'm just doing this because I'm bored waiting for fucking level load. Sometimes enough to like go back, like that, then you try it, then it'll work. But I don't know right now. There we go. Yay! This is probably This is probably my favorite train survival level that anyone has ever made. It's pretty cool because there's 2 floors in it and you can survive longer. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but all the Little Big Planet levels I play all involve much explosives. Now, the trick to this level is, in between the seats, I can just fucking hang on. Hang on! But you have to jump around. You just got to, die. Long train, as you can also see. Fuck! That was the train car hiding into it. Oh, fuck, no! Fuck, no! That's the one good thing about this one, too. I've never actually been able to jump back. Usually, you can run back into the thing. Whereas this Little Big Planet level, you can actually jump back. God damn it, no! I will fucking get back. Yes. Oh fuck! The whole train car. That's bad luck. Because that was like this was the train car I was sitting in for the longest too. Also, unlike the other ones, there's actually something to grab onto. Like the seats are the only thing to grab onto. But most train survival levels you play will not have that. Oh fuck! A wheel came up. I have to grab onto something fast. Gross. Damn, son. Is that like an explosive underneath? Because if not, holy shit! Oh fuck, it's an explosive. Yeah, survived. I feel like Indiana Jones. Oh fuck no! Fuck no! Fuck no! Ow. Okay. Anyway, okay, community level. 200,000 plays. Oh, I could tell someone's happy for 200,000 plays. Oh, hey, can I grab that? Yee. Oh, yeah, 4,000. Yeah. Alright, just we'll play it one more time. Why not? Let's see if I'll play it like 1 or 2 more times. Long. Why would I make a 3-minute video? That's just terrible. Ah, fuck, are you kidding? No, I'm not gonna die already. No. I'm faster than the speed of train. Yeah. I got 12 inches, that's how I roll. Oh, fuck. Oh, asshole. I guess he saw that problem and he was just like, yeah. Yeah, no, you're not gonna cheat, dipshit. We'll have one more go, and a serious run. Replay your level one more time, sir. Okay. No, not again. I got sucked inside. I unfortunately can't. Oh yeah, I think I can actually get up to the top floors again. Yeah. These are like the worst levels to stay on though, because like, locked me up. Yeah, I can't fit in the car either. There we go. Damn, like, look, see, like, the entire top cars are already destroyed. That's why you never stay. You never stay in the back car, like the very last car, or the very first car. We're going off the rails on a crazy train. Sorry, I just thought it was a song. I'll stop singing. I'll stop now. Oh, fuck. Keep moving around the car. Like, it just looks like a disaster up there. Like, all the cars. Oh, yep, see, now the used cars are gonna get destroyed. My highest on this is like 5,000, I think, on this level. Oh, come on. Yeah, I can't even get to the other cars now. So this is where you go onto the seat, and then you grab the seat, so you don't fucking fall. I think this calls for some very dramatic music. I think they actually do let you pick your music, I just didn't do it. Let me move out of this. Yeah, this car is like a... Oh, yeah, let me go to these cars that aren't even touched, barely touched. Yeah, get back in the seat. Get back on the seat, sir. See, I think the bombs are are programmed to like fall wherever you are. Yeah, now this car is almost completely destroyed. So go to this one. Yeah, that bomb went. Stay there. Yeah, let me... Oh, fuck. No. Ah! And I'm dead. That was a very crazy conclusion. I think that concludes this playthrough. Not nearly my highest, but okay. Me, sack boy. They call me the sack boy. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm swinging from the chandelier. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. Thank you all for watching. This has been Crazy Pizza Man 21. Hope you all enjoyed.